everybody, Topwater Johnny here, and in this video, I'm going to be fishing with the Megabass Dying Fish. Let's check it out. Whoa, there we go. Yeah! Woo, holy cow, folks. Topwater Johnny here, man. This is what we came here for. Look at that. Get back here. Look at that right there. That's the kind of beast that we came here for. Hey everybody, it's Topwater Johnny. Look at that beast right there, baby. I think I won the tournament with that one right there. I am the one with this one. Hey everybody, it's Topwater Johnny here. Want to welcome you to my next video here. And as you heard in the intro, this video is about the Megabass Dying Shad. And I want to show it to you here just to give you a quick, actually give you a chance to take a closer look at the Megabass Dying Shad here. And I'll flip it around this way, a little bit easier that way. The Megabass Dying Shad. And what I want to do here is I'm going to go over the specs on this, and then I will come back and give you a few more thoughts about it, and then we'll jump right into the clips of me fishing with it. So go ahead, enjoy the clip. Okay, everybody, we're going to take a closer look at this right now. So this is the Megabass Dying Fish. Now, the thing about this one that I want everybody to know is that it is about 2.9 inches long, almost 3 inches long. It's 3 16 ounces, so it's a really light kind of lure. It actually comes with 2 treble hooks. I added a feather hook to the back here just to give it a little bit more action when I'm popping it across the water. It's got that great Megabass design, as always, with the eyes looking down. But look right here. Notice these 3 little slits right here. You can tie in the front, you could tie in the middle, or you could tie in the back, which gives us a totally 3-sided dimension of action. So you get 3 different types of action out of this one lure. And normally this lure, when you cast it, will lay to the side. So it kind of bounces along slowly and really gives off that impression of a dying shad. I'm going to include a link in the description box so that if you want to go get yourself one, you can check it out. All right, everybody, welcome back, and I'm glad you had a chance to really take a closer look. I always like to do that really close up and personal video of the lure so you can get a really good look at it. But this right here was a lure that I was actually really surprised about because of what it's capable of doing for those that are wanting to fish it. And this lure right here, what makes it so special are these 3 little slits that you can see right up front there. These 3 little slits right there, because you can tie on. See, I've got my leader, actually I got my little thing tied on to the middle one, so I'm able to bounce this from the center. And it actually lays in the water on the side here. So the eyes are looking down and it's kind of bouncing along like this. You can put it in the front and it'll have more of that kind of motion like this, or you can put it in the back and have more of a motion like this. Mine was in the center and it was sideways like this. And this lure was really a surprising lure because it has a lot of action, but you got to learn, this is more of a finesse, so you got to learn how to finesse it along here and bounce it along. And in the video you're going to watch me, you'll see me fishing it and you'll see me learning how to be better with it. This right here, like I said before, is a kind of a rare lure because I've never really seen Megabass promote this lure. But this lure has a lot of potential, whether you're talking about the spawn or after the spawn. This right here will get hit. And I put this feather tail on it, and that's something that I do with a lot of my topwater lures, is I tend to take out the hook that's on there in the back and put a feather hook in there so that they can key in on it. Normally I'll try to get a chartreuse or yellow type of hook in the back because that gives me a chance for that fish, when I'm doing this, to key in on something. Now, if your water is clear, they will be able to see this for sure. But if the water is dark, muddy, kind of dirty, then the water I fish in is pretty much down here in Florida, can be kind of dark and dense. So having something that they can key in on. Also, as you can hear, This even has its own, a couple of BBs in there. So it also has a little bit of a rattle to it as well. Now this lure, when you're fishing this, something you got to keep in mind. When I fish this one here, I'm fishing it on, I think it's either 8 and sometimes 12-pound braid, not monofilament. I'm using braid. Now you can use monofilament, absolutely, but I'm fishing it on braid, but it's really the lighter braid, and I've got it on a spin casting reel, so I'm not using my bait caster. I'm using my spinning reel setup in order to throw it. So what I'm saying to you is that when you're dealing with lighter top waters, you're going to have your setup where it's a little bit lighter so that you can really throw that lure. And you'll see in the video that I'm really tossing that lure out there. And what I'm doing is I'm learning as I'm fishing it how to be more effective with it. See, the next time I go fishing with this, I know what to do. And that's the whole key about fishing, is the first time around you're really unsure of the lure, but it's with time and practice that you get really good. So what we're going to do now is we're going to jump into the actual footage of me fishing with it now so that you can enjoy that. Please like, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification. If you want to get one of your own, check the description box. There's a link that will take you over to where you can access one of these type of lures. Once again, this is Topwater Johnny, saying that phrase as always. Keep your line tight, because when they hit those topwater lures, especially these kind of lures right here, it's going to be a big bite. Enjoy the video. There we go. There we go. On that dying shad. Boom. Got him. Got him. Got him, everybody. On that dying shad. That's another one of those baits, folks. And got him locked down. All right. All right. There we go. There we go, folks. On that dying shad. Got him. Woo! Nice. He was waiting on that one. There we go, folks. Got him. You can see right there. Got him on that dying shad. Is jumping. He hit that violently. That dying shad. Here. Got that feathered hook on him right there. That's a nice one. There we go. On that dying shad. Nice one. Woo! Right on the dying shad. All right. All right, all right, all right. All right, everybody. As you can see, oops, that one is right on that dying shad. They can't resist it. All right. There we go. He took it. He took that one on that dying shad, everybody. There we go. They love that. These bass are loving that dying shad. And look at this one. Totally was taking it down, ready to inhale it and put it deep in his mouth right there. So that's another nice one on that dying shad. All right. There we go. There we go. Woo! There we go. Got him. Got him, everybody. On that dying shad. On that dying shad. They can't resist it when I put that back out here. No escaping the dying shad. And that one comes out. There we go. There we go, everybody. You see that? I popped that nice and slow like a dying fish. And there we go. Boom. Look at that, everybody. There was a lesson there. I want everybody to notice how I was popping it really slow and he couldn't resist it. He thought it was a dying bait fish. It's that dying shad. And I got him locked down. So, all right. Everybody, it's Topwater Johnny here. Just want to thank you for watching this video here on the Megabass Dying Fish. This was a really fun lure to fish with, and I hope when you watch it you learned a few things while you watch me fish with this lure here. Very unique lure, very unique topwater lure. As I mentioned, I'm going to put a link below in the description box where you can access that lure if you're interested. You can get them on all over the web, but I'll show you the link where I got mine at. Once again, I just want to thank everybody, thank all my subscribers for watching my videos. Please like, share my footage, because really I'm trying to bring you something that you normally won't see on YouTube when it comes to fishing, is all of these really unique lures and how to fish them. So once again, I want to thank my subscribers. If you haven't subscribed, please like, subscribe to the channel, join my community, because I'm going to keep on sharing and bringing you the good stuff. Once again, this is Topwater Johnny saying that phrase, keep your line tight, because when they hit those topwater lures, it's going to be a big bite. All right.